Deep in the forest's heart, a soft glow flickers inside a hollow tree. Today's a special day. Travelers from the village come to peek at her enchanted little home. Welcome to my home! Look at these tiny spoons, teacups, and this glowing seed lamp. I can't believe how bright they glow, little one. Isn't it wonderful, Grandma? The fairy smiled and sprinkled her golden dust. Grandma's world shimmered and softly. Grandma can't stop asking questions. Where's your bathroom? Do fairies eat soup? The fairy bursts out laughing.
Then comes the question that stops even the wind. So, where do fairies buy their tiny underwear?
Then come Terrapin.
Thank you, sweet child. Take care. You too, Abuela.